Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to take a look at your Cash App activity. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we are going to be needing the Cash App application. So if you do not already have the application, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store and get started with searching. So go to the search bar and search for Cash App. By finding the Cash App application, you can get started with installing it. So go ahead and install it for yourself. And once you have done that, now we can go back and open it up. So you can log in either with your phone number or with your login details, whichever way you prefer. And once you log in, now you can get started. So this is going to be our login page, our home page, where we can take a look at our cash balance, our savings, and all the other settings we can access. And now guys, what we're looking for is right here at the bottom of the screen. At the bottom of the screen, you can find the sections tab where you can find all the sections we can access. Currently, as you can see, we are in the home tab. So we are in the home page where you can take a look at all info. What we're looking for is right here at the bottom right corner. In the bottom right corner, you can find that clock icon. You want to go ahead and open up the clock icon. By clicking the clock icon, this is going to open up your history tab where you can take a look at the history of all the payments and transactions you have made in Cash App. So there you can find everything you need, any payment you ever made, any transactions, and so on. You can print them out, you can save them, do whatever you want. This is where you can go ahead and find your history activity, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.